Alright, what's going on, everybody? Let's take a look at this problem. This is an exponential equation we need to solve. And remember, whenever you're solving an exponential equation, you want to get the bases the same and then set the exponents equal to each other. Sometimes you can't do that. If that's the case, then you can take the natural log of both sides. But in this problem, it looks like we can get the bases the same. So if you look at the left-hand side, okay, look at the left-hand side of the equation. We've got 2 to the x times 2 to the x plus 1. So remember that property that says if you have like bases and you're multiplying, you can add the exponents. All right, so that's all I did is x plus 1. Like bases, multiplying, add the exponents. That equals, now looking at the left hand side, our base is 2. Well, can we do that on the right hand side? Can we rewrite 4 as 2 raised to a power? Well, yeah, we can rewrite the 4 as 2 squared. All right, so all we did is we took the 4 and we wrote it as 2 squared. And then all of that is still raised to the x squared plus x. So let's do some simplifying. So that's 2 to the 2x plus 1 equals, and then this is going to be 2. And then remember, when you have exponents like this, remember there's a property that says a to the m raised to the n. See, in this case, the 2 here is our m, and the x squared plus x is our n. That is equal to a to the m times n. We can multiply them. So that's going to be 2 times x squared plus x. And so that's 2 to the 2x plus 1 equals 2 to the 2x squared plus 2x. All I did is I distributed the 2. Well, now we've got the bases the same, so let's set the exponents equal to each other. So that's 2x plus 1 equals 2x squared plus 2x. I've got a quadratic equation. Get everything to one side, set it equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 2x to both sides, and I'm going to subtract 1 to both sides. So that is going to leave me with 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 1. So I'm just going to rewrite this up here as 2x squared minus 1 equals 0. And now we solve. So how do we solve this? Well, we can use the square root property. Remember when you were working problems like this, you had something like x squared equals 9, and so x is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, that's what we're going to do. See, we can get this x squared by itself. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So I get 2x squared equals 1. Divide everything by 2. I get x squared equals 1/2. And now you can see this is set up just like this x squared equals 9. So I get x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1/2. So x is equal to plus or minus, well, the square root of 1 is 1. And then the square root of 2, well, that's just square root of 2. We can't simplify that. 2 is not a perfect square. But now what I need to do is what? Rationalize the denominator. So I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 2 over square root of 2. And so that's going to leave me x is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 over 2. And there's your answer. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later.